Northway Tower.
Number 289er, Northway Tower, stay present position. Where are you? Number 289er, roger. It looks like maybe Miami switched you over. That's a little far out, but just make straight in runway 28 left and report 5 mile final.
5 mile final, report.
Ferry Tower, Cessna 17101, left downwind 28 left, good to go.
Number 101, runway 28 left, clear for the option.
28 left, clear for the option, 17101.
8 miles, 289 for 10 left, 28 left, sorry.
Number 289er, runway 28 left, clear to line.
That's around 290.
Ferry Tower, Cessna 17101 is on the left downwind, 28 left and requesting landing longs all the way to Alpha.
Number 101, per desk requested, runway 28 left, clear to land. And if you go all the way to Alpha, just text to park this frequency Alpha.
Roger, thank you so much, 17101.
Number 101, runway 28 left, clear to land.
28 left, clear to land, 17101. Ferry Tower says 9101 is clear. Thank you so much and have a good night.
Easy, thanks. Number 13 Foxtrot, you up?
Yeah, I'm up.
Hey, is there like right beneath you off the approach end, they're saying like 12th or 14th Street downed aircraft? It's where it looks like that's where all the cops are going to.
I did notice the lights here, but let me get a better visual for you. One sec.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, there is a downed aircraft here. Looks like short final 28 left.
Okay, copy all, thanks.
Was that the twin that was coming in 8 miles out?
It had to have been, yeah. I thought he taxied to park on his own because he didn't reach out to ground control.
You know, we were looking for him too there. Well, I never saw him land.